In there? So you just moved on to the seat?
No.
Best you can?
No.
I wouldn't leave him there though.
Yes, you would.
Life over injuries.
You made the back seat, I would put in my seat back something wrong with that. That's a good idea.
Just thought of that.
Right. Then you can sit and guys. No,
Yep.
Which flank would you do first, knowing the direction of the wind change?
Yeah, you would hit the eastern side of the flank first.
Yeah, absolutely. Because soon, if we haven't managed this before the wind change, what happens?
Yeah, well, because what will happen, it'll come back around on you.
Yeah, we've now got a flank fire that's going to be a head fire.
Yeah.
Right, you've got a minute. Is it a minute to do it or just a minute to look?
Yeah, we can play cricket. We can use that at a fire.
We've got to go to the truck too, don't we?
Yeah, we need the coupling. And take a 25 mil hose, actually.
We're going to have to go wedge.
There's a reducer, there's one there too.
Righto. Righto.
If you want.
Trevor, you got a stopwatch? Okay.
That's on point.
You got 3 minutes to set it up. From go to when you guys say finished. Maximum 3 minutes.
So you're going to go small.
Whenever you're ready, Trevor. Go.
Let's go. So we need that one. There's that one. Yep. Oh yeah, I done roll.
And then,
We play cricket. Yeah. I don't get the chain bar and I'll bowl.
to go.
You got to join them other two eyes up.
Gee, Matt. Hello, Matt, my brother. Hello there.
Good, thank you, troll.
Alright, I'll get you 2 primers pumped for me, hook it up, take it down the bank there, fire up and prime it. So we had a couple of suggestions there to prime it, but they're pretty easy, these ones. So hook up, fire up, and pump some water for it. Control, Fred.
Don't see any front of the outlet.
You run these ones pretty fast, but they're still fine.
when you're going in, like stay as low as you can, and then when you're going in, just like that.
Thanks for the day. Apart from a bit of drizzle around the countryside, it's been good. It's worked out pretty well. There's a few people I'd like to thank before we actually get going and announce who's won. Chief Officer Dermot Barrett. That's me. Yep. And his wife Terry. Down back there somewhere. Well, I won't embarrass you, but put your hand up, Terry. The second in charge, Deputy Chief. Acting Deputy Regional Chief Phil Smith and his wife Sue. Acting District Officer Peter Tabaz. Field Works Officer who's not he's acting. No, you're not acting. He's done a real job. He is acting. Brendan Burridge. He always acts. I'd like to, at this stage, thank the cooks. So Kathy, thank you. And everybody else, I don't know your names down there, but thanks very much for that. Tina, where are you, Tina? Thank you. And going on with that, Tina, thanks for coming today and your family. And Tina's aware of what goes on today. Brigade members and your partners, thanks for coming. More importantly, judges. Thanks for that. It's a hard job judging, and most importantly again as well, you competitors, because without you guys coming, we don't hold this event. One of the hardest jobs here, and if you want to have a go at it, you can. Thanks Shirley for the radio work and the store.
Fourth position with a score of 190 points. Brighton. Apparently you get nothing for fourth. Third, 192 points, so just ahead of Brighton. Tarmac, Broadmarsh. So second, there's nothing for second, so don't even bother clapping. Oaklands. Alright. So in first, oh interesting. Jericho. Jericho?
Come forward guys, Jericho guys. I'd like the Chief to present the perpetual trophy.
Well done.
Yep.
Cheers. Short stint at Catholic for a couple of years, is that right? And then from 2003 until now, we've been at the Bagdad Brigade. Through that period, been third officer for 10 years and just recently been promoted to Brigade Chief. So well done, Craig. So Pete's getting his 40-year certificate. So Pete joined New Norfolk Brigade, been in New Norfolk for the whole period in 1981. Had a short stint as fourth officer in 1995 for a short period. And then in 2000 become third officer. Second officer in 2017 until just recently where he's resigned the position because Pete's probably moving interstate. and it's gone back down to firefighter. So fantastic career. Well done.
To run the eye over you as you go through under pressure. It's always good to see how crews perform under pressure. And I was impressed, actually. It was really good. It's good to see the attitude. There's some different skill sets for sure. There's some people who were learning the first time out, and then there was other almost veterans who were seeing. So it was great to see. Obviously the season's coming up now and we may get busy, but fingers crossed for a quiet season and we'll get through safely for all of us. It's also great to see all the families here as well and recognise that it's one thing when the pager goes off and we tear out the door, but the families are often left at home, the wives and the kids and others, you know, they're the ones who carry a lot of that burden as well, whether it be just waiting for us to get home or looking after things while we're away. So it's great to see them out today as well and just enjoy it. So on behalf of the TFS, I'd just like to say thank you for all that you do. Stay safe and yeah, invite me out again next year and I'd love to come back. So thank you.